What's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So here in this particular video, we are going to be looking at to how you can actually increase your earnings as a blogger or YouTuber using your AdSense account, and how you can actually blog low CPC advertisers on your AdSense account, or how you can actually maximize ads that are showing on your website or on your YouTube videos so that you'll be able to earn what you actually deserve, or be able to earn good amount of money using this method and on your AdSense account. So I'll be walking you through the whole process on how you can actually get this done. And literally, you also know that there are some websites in which they are showing ads on your website or on your YouTube videos, and no matter how many times they actually appear on your website, they are going to pay you less amount of money. And it's actually not the problems of the website or advertisers, but literally is the mode of their business and how much you also make. And regardless of that, we have to walk our way through on how you can actually get the best CPC ads on our video on our website, so that you'll be able to make most of the money on our website or YouTube channel. This method actually works for both YouTube channel and blog website, so you can just follow the whole process while I guide you through what you actually need to do and how you actually get this done easy peasy. So first thing you actually need to do is just visit your AdSense account. So on the home page here, so make sure you logged in through your email address. So then the next thing is filter to the next page here. So once you filter to the next page here, so you'll be able to see all these features here. So you see the ads, you see your sites if you have more than one site, so you'll be able to also see the option where you can actually get what you need to do to block some ads that are showing on your website. So but the next thing for you to do is just click on the blocking controls. So under these blocking controls, we have different features here, which is content and the search. So the next thing for you to do is just click on the content. So on the content, we have ad review center, we have alt site, we have website here. So here you see the list of your website. So if you actually want to apply this method on all your websites, so the next thing for you to do is just click on all sites. So with this method, you'll be able to add or block low CPC ads from all the websites. But if you'll be able to block all the ads from your website if you click on all sites, but if you want to block ads if you want to block some low CPC ads from a particular website, so you just click on the site URL, then you'll be able to have access to the page. So aside from that, we'll proceed with the all sites. So if you let's just say that we want to apply this method on all our sites on our AdSense account, so the effect will take on all the websites you have on your AdSense account. But if you just want to go for a single website on your AdSense, so just click on the site URL, then you'll be able to have access to the page. So let me click on the page so you'll be able to see what I'm actually talking about. So here you can see the site URL. So then there is a ad limit on this particular AdSense account, so that's why I decided to just use it as an example and guide you through the whole process on what you actually need to do. So you can see this is the website URL. So the next thing to do is just click on advertisers URL, but I just want to use all site features. So that will definitely explain how it's done, so that there won't be a confusion in case you want to add it to your own website on your own AdSense account. So just click on all sites. So clicking on all sites, you'll be able to see everything and apply the features on all your websites. All the websites you have on your AdSense account, you'll be able to apply this method on it. So you see, make sure you have got the right ads for your brand. So and advertisers URL, don't need anything from all these ones. what you need to do is just click on manage URLs. So under manage URLs, you will see all these features. You see block URLs. I already blocked some URLs, and these are the remaining one, which is 305 remain. So all these links, all these URLs have already been blocked. You can see blocked. So if I click on this, it will allow the URL. So you can see allowed. So this website can actually run ads on my website. So aside from that, I'll just click on block so that I'll be able to block this URL for my AdSense to apply or to show ads on my website. So how would you apply all these links to block them from your own AdSense account as well? So you can see enter URL or URL separated by comma. So just click on this, and I have already put in all these website URLs in a doc, so you'll be able to have access to it. I'll also include the link to get this list of URLs in the video description, so you can actually be able to download it to apply it to your own AdSense account as well. So these are the list of the low CPC URLs. So these are the list, and you can see they are separated with comma, so it will be very easier for you to apply. So let me try to copy some of them so you'll be able to see how you can actually apply them on your own AdSense account as well. So I've copied up to, like, I don't know. So then I'll try to paste it on my AdSense. So I'll just paste here, then I'll click on search. So let's wait and see. Okay, so blocking multiple URLs may lower revenue significantly because it's likely to block a large portion of ads. So this is telling you that the ads website, this website that you're trying to block, might actually decrease how many times ad will show on your website. But you don't have to follow this, because if you don't follow this method, what they're actually saying here, so it's still end up to the fact that you'll be earning lower money and you'll be seeing low CPC ads. And you can also see this kind of websites are not included on the one I've already blocked. So I'll just click on block all here, so it will apply to everyone that I've already blocked all these URLs. So you can see here I've already blocked all these URLs. So, and then the next thing for me is just click on close. So that is just for that method. So, and if you want to add the ICPC URL, in case some of them are not in your AdSense already, and you know AdSense keep on updating their platform and their website, as well as new advertisers which they actually are having ICPC. So with that, you'll be able to you would see an option where you can actually apply the method on your AdSense account as well. So if new advertisers are coming and they have ICPC, so they'll definitely be able to participate and have their ads on your YouTube channel or on your video or on your website. So it's very easier like that. So if you want to apply or if you have a certain URL that you know that they have ICPC, so you can just come down here again, then you click on add networks, come down to add network. So under the add network here, so you'll be able to enter an ads. You'll be able to enter an ad that you want the ads to show on your AdSense account. So then in here you'll be able to put in the particular ad name. So once you input it, so you'll be able to run it and the ads will be able to show on your AdSense account. So you can see the available ads which will be showing on your website or on your video. So they have over 30,000 ads network here, and most of these ad network are not applicable to the one that I've already blocked. So these are one that have I paid CPC. And if you still want to add some extra ones, so you can actually just input the ads URL here, then or the art name, the company name, then they will run a check. I also have a list of some CPC platforms, so which have CPC. So you can see these are over 250 CPC AdSense ad network list. So, and you can see how much they are paying per CPC. So you can see all the list here. I also provide the link to get this download to your own on your own AdSense account, so you'll be able to apply it to your AdSense. So with this, you just copy. You cannot just copy all on this one, so you have to copy one after the other. Like for instance, you want to copy this particular one, which is AS Digital Media, so you just copy like this, then go back to AdSense, then you paste, then you click on search. So after clicking on search, you'll be able to see if the ad is already on your AdSense account already or not. If it's not, then you'll be able to click on allow. So you can see it's already in there and it's allowed. So I don't need to add it again to my AdSense account. So this is how you can actually block low CPC ads and apply or add high CPC ads, so that you can be able to make more money on your AdSense account using your website or your YouTube channel. So this is the method I use from most of my stuff, which I already apply AdSense on. So you can also apply this method to your own AdSense account and be able to make more money on your AdSense account. So if you have any question regarding this video, you can drop a comment. Aside from that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.